2, 3, go! Oh! I really don't care who won at this point. This is awesome. We should have had them wrestle at the start. All right, here we go. Round 2. Y'all want to check yourself? Everything secure? All right, everything secure. We're good. We're good. All right, round 2. 1, 2, 3, go. Side. I think we're going to start a new sport, Jello breakdancing. Oh, perfect timing. Oh, lock her in the figure 4. Lock her in the figure 4. Oh, fancy. That's round 2. Set him up for round 3. Final round of possibly the best Jello and some kind of one more, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Let's start that over. Come on. Yeah.
Not very friendly, the throwing of the Jello in the face.
All right, who won? I have no